Diploma in Personal Development Skills. You picked up your phone 127 times yesterday. You spent 6 hours scrolling through content you don't even remember. What if I told you that the key to unlocking your full potential has nothing to do with motivation and everything to do with what you're about to learn in the next 10 minutes? It's 5:47 a.m. The alarm goes off. You tell yourself, today is the day I change my life. But by 9 a.m., you're already back to your old habits. Sound familiar? Here's why 99% of people fail at personal development and how you can be in the 1% that actually succeeds. Self-help books are dead. Toxic positivity is destroying your growth. And that hustle culture everyone's selling, it's the fastest way to burn out. If you're serious about real personal development in 2025, forget everything you think you know. This free course is about to flip your entire approach upside down. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into a completely free personal development course that's changing lives in 2025. And no, this isn't your typical wake up at 5 a.m. and hustle advice. This is about real, sustainable personal growth that actually works. But before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications because we're dropping value bombs throughout this entire video. Trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming at number 4. So let's talk about personal development. You know that feeling when you're lying in bed, the sun's just coming up, and you think to yourself, today's the day I finally get my life together. We've all been there. But here's the problem. Most people have no idea where to start. Should you focus on fitness, diet, career, finances, relationships? The answer is all of it, but strategically. And that's exactly what this course teaches you. The smartphone problem. Let's start with the elephant in the room, your smartphone. Did you know the average person spends 5 to 6 hours per day on their phone? And that's not including work. Think about that. That's almost a full-time job of just scrolling. This course kicks off by teaching you how to take back control of your life from digital distractions. We're talking about ads, notifications, emails, and the biggest time thief of all, social media. The course breaks down 3 key points that will help you regain focus in your life. Because here's the truth. You can't develop personally if your attention is constantly being hijacked by algorithms designed to keep you scrolling. Imagine what you could do with even half of those 6 hours back. Learn a new skill, start a side business, actually have meaningful conversations with people you love. The possibilities are endless. Why self-help books don't work anymore. Now, here's where things get controversial. This course explains why traditional self-help books are no longer an effective source for personal development. I know, that sounds crazy, but hear me out. The self-help industry has become oversaturated with recycled advice, toxic positivity, and one-size-fits-all solutions that don't actually fit anyone. This course teaches you something different. Personalized strategies that you can adapt to your unique situation. And speaking of toxic positivity, the course covers something fascinating: the danger of being positive all the time. Yes, you heard that right. Forcing yourself to be positive 24/7 can actually be harmful to your mental health and personal growth. Sometimes you need to acknowledge the negative emotions, process them, and learn from them. Time management and email mastery. Let's talk about time management. This isn't just about making to-do lists or using fancy productivity apps. This course teaches you how to arrange activities to use your time more efficiently. You'll learn the best email practices that can save you hours every week. Think about how much time you waste just managing your inbox, opening emails, reading them, forgetting about them, rereading them later. The course gives you a system that actually works. And here's a game changer. The course covers meditation and its importance in personal development. Now, before you roll your eyes and think, oh great, another person telling me to meditate, listen up. The course explains the science behind why meditation actually works, and more importantly, how to do it in a way that fits your lifestyle. Creativity and failure. Number 4 on our list might surprise you: learning how to reach your full creative potential. You might be thinking, but I'm not a creative person. Wrong. Everyone has creative potential. It's just been buried under years of routine, fear, and self-doubt. The course teaches you how to unlock that creativity, and here's the beautiful part. It shows you why failure is actually fuel for your personal growth in creativity. Most people view failure as the end, game over. But what if failure was actually the beginning? What if every mistake was just feedback? The course reframes your entire relationship with failure, turning it from something you fear into something you can actually use as a springboard for growth. Health, diet, and holistic wellness. Let's get real about health. This course doesn't just tell you to eat healthy and exercise. It goes deeper. It teaches you about following a healthy diet as a long-term lifestyle change, not just a short-term fix. You'll learn how to eliminate junk food and replace it with clean, nutrient-rich foods that give your body the energy it actually needs. But here's what makes this different. The course also covers methods for eating moderately and regaining control of your eating habits. No extreme diets, no cutting out entire food groups, just sustainable, realistic strategies that work for real people with real lives. And it doesn't stop at physical health. The course emphasizes being mindful of what you put into your body emotionally, mentally, and physically. Because personal development isn't just about looking good, it's about feeling good and being mentally strong. 2 more critical skills this course covers: organizing your finances and becoming a great public speaker. Financial organization isn't sexy, but it's essential. You can't reach your full potential if you're constantly stressed about money. The course teaches you why it's vital to get your finances in order and gives you practical steps to do it. And public speaking, this is a skill that can literally transform your career. Whether you're presenting to your team, pitching to investors, or just trying to communicate more effectively, the course summarizes the key points to becoming a great public speaker. These aren't just nice-to-have skills. These are life-changing abilities that open doors you didn't even know existed. So who should take this course? Honestly, everyone. But specifically, students who want to build strong foundations early, first-time employees navigating their careers, managers looking to level up their leadership, anyone setting goals and wanting to reach their full potential. If you're thinking about making a change, this course gives you the roadmap. And the best part? It's completely free. Conclusion. So there you have it. A complete personal development course that covers everything from digital detox to financial organization, from creative unlocking to public speaking mastery. This isn't just another course promising overnight success. This is about real, sustainable personal growth that actually works. Remember, personal development isn't a destination, it's a journey, and every journey begins with a single step. This course could be that step for you. If you found this valuable, smash that like button and subscribe for more content on personal growth, productivity, and living your best life. Drop a comment below telling me, what's the one area of personal development you want to focus on most? I read every single comment. The link to this free course is in the description below. No credit card required, no gimmicks, just pure value. Stop waiting for the perfect moment to start. That moment is right now. Click that link, enroll in the course, and take the first step toward becoming the person you know you're capable of being. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep growing, keep learning, and remember, you've got this.